In this video, we are going to try to figure out how you can make a stairway a little stronger if you don't have a wall like this to attach it to. And sometimes you're going to have a wall on each side. And that might look something like this here. So most long stairways are going to have a support wall underneath them. However, this might not be necessary if you use larger stringers and thicker treads and risers. For example, you might have a 4x12 stringer and 2x construction standard materials for your treads and risers. So if you don't like the wall under the stairs, or you can't use a wall under the stairs, and you don't want the stairs to swing to the right or the left or even bow down as weight is applied to them by having multiple people walk up and down them. And it's not uncommon to eliminate this design altogether and use 4x12 or even 6x14 stringers with brackets instead of notched stringers. And if you need more information on stairs with brackets, I do have a book. You can find that book at our website and some online retailers. So we're going to have a block over our wall so that we can nail the stringers to the blocks. We're going to toenail the blocks into the wall framing, and then you can always toenail the blocks into the stringers if you can't in-nail them. And I'm not about to suggest these are the only ways you can strengthen a stairway that is moving from side to side, but this will definitely get you started in the right direction. Another thing you can use is building hardware. Make sure that the wall is firmly attached to a footing or the floor. And then we are going to install a brace. The brace will be nailed with 16D nails. We can use a 2x4 or 2x6 for our brace. And if one brace is not going to be good enough, then install another one on the other side going in the opposite direction. And if you don't like that idea, you can always install some plywood like we do with our shear panel. And you can always use larger plywood. Here we're using 3/4 inch plywood. And if it's going to be used on the exterior, make sure that it is rated for the exterior. And we can always install another piece of plywood on the other side. And if you want to make it a little bit stronger, you can shape the plywood to where it goes all the way up to the top of the blocking. And my last example will be to install some type of bracing like this, where we have a 2x4 inside the wall on each side and going in the opposite directions. And hopefully this will solve your problem. If not, then you might consider installing additional walls. For example, we have one wall installed here. You could always install another wall over here and another wall over here. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.